Okay, so since we're done with the creation of our first or the very basic point of sale system in Excel, what we need to do right now is we are going to format the values. So as you can see in here, we don't have a currency value for each of the amounts that we are using. For example, for the price, it's just in there as a typical number. So what we're going to do is just to highlight the values for the price, then click on the number box. We call this one as the number box. Then click on the general tab or general option, then choose currency. So you can choose the currency option, then automatically it will be changed into something like with a 2 decimal places and a currency symbol, which is a dollar sign. Now for example, if you are in the Philippines or in different parts of the world, what you're going to do is you're going to change the currency symbol. So to do that, just click on this mini icon in here located at the number box on the rightmost corner. Just click on that one, a new window will appear. So you can just change the symbol. So for example, I'm from the Philippines, all I need to type in is PH. There you go. So just click on PHP, click OK, and we're good to go. Same thing with the total amount. Now if you're kind of tired of doing all those steps that we did in the price area, all we need to do is just to copy the formatting for this one. So to do that, just click on the format or the cell from which you want to copy the format from. Click on Format Painter located on our clipboard box. There you go. Once there are some sort of animations in there, then that's the time for you to click and drag on the area from where you are going to paste the formatting that you have just copied from the previous cell. Okay, so there you go. As you have noticed, both the price and the total amount are properly formatted. Okay, so that's it.